to me. Give me one moment in time when I'm racing with destiny. Will be nalagpasan ko talaga yung nanakaw ko. So, I'm very happy right now. Ayan. So, sana po na-enjoy niyo po yung version ko ng One Moment in Time. Ayun, water break. And, sana po na nagustuhan niyo po yun. And sa lahat po ng mga nakatutok po ngayon, maraming salamat. And I'm inviting you all to my birthday concert at the MOA Arena on May 29. It's called The Birthday Concert. So sana po pumunta po kayo. You can buy your tickets at smtickets.com. Ayun. And sa lahat po ng mga gustong magpag-greet ngayon, I'll be looking at my comments on my Instagram. So start commenting away. So sa lahat po ng hindi ko po ma-mention, sorry po. And hello na lang po sa inyong lahat. Thank you. So, this next song is popularized by John Legend, and this is my third time to sing it. So here it is, All of Me by John Legend. What would I do without your smart mouth drawing me? You got my head spinning, no kidding, I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful girl? 'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. All your perfect imperfection, and you give me all of you. Ayan. And now I will promote my concert. Oh, here it is. Ito po, The Birthday Concert live at the MOA Arena on May 29. And kita nyo naman po, sana po pumunta po kayo. I have many surprise guests along with Bimby, Kuya Robbie Domingo, Ate Alyssa, and Kuya Jason D, and Kuya Mitoy from The Voice. So sana po pumunta po kayo. And it's going to be a blast. We're going to enjoy. And sana po sabayin niyo po ako sa mga kakantahin ko. Marami pong medleys and mashups dyan. So, yun po. And of course, maraming salamat po for joining me on my by request sessions with me, Darren Espanto. And this is brought to you by Spinner and MCA Music. Ayan. And now, I will read some comments on Instagram kung may mga nagre-request na ng bate. And Darren, isang Greek lang please. Ito po si Nicolette Ching 14. Hello po. And hello, Ana Lu Santos 1. And hello, Alessandra Berlon. Maraming salamat po for tuning in. And D-Team Kulit, Kuya Renz, kay Claire, and yung mga yun. Nawala na po kasi taas ng taas yung comments. Ewan ko dito. Basta, kasi marami. And then, hello po sa lahat ng mga hindi ko pa po nag-read. And of course, you can always buy my album at any Astro Plus, Astro Vision Odyssey store nationwide. And you can also download it on iTunes and Spinner, of course. And you can also check out my latest single, Stuck, on my Vivo channel. And salamat po sa pagsuporta po sa Love Ako Sa'yo. Ayun. And follow me on my Instagram at DanisPanto1. Maraming salamat po. Okay.